Hello everyone, welcome to WP Maps Pro, a WordPress plugin that helps you to import and export locations in CSV files. In this video, I am going to show you how you can export CSV files. Let's start with the import location. Step 1. Go to Import Location from WP Maps Pro. Step 2. Then choose the .csv file and click on the Continue button. Step 3. You will see the column mapping section. Here you will see all your CSV file fields where you have to select fields according to the CSV field. Now click on Import Locations. Step 4. Now click on Manage Locations. Here you will see all your .csv file address data. Now let's see how to export your locations in a CSV file. Step 1. To export locations, go to Manage Location page. Step 2. Choose Export as CSV in the Bulk Actions drop-down and click on Apply. Then you'll see all locations in a CSV file. That's it. I hope you have learned how to export locations in WP Maps Pro. Thanks for watching the video.